Hi guys, I'm Snowden, the fat loss and performance coach here at Meta Fitness and Nutrition Education. Today's little video is all about SMR, or self-myofascial release. So self-myofascial releases are basically your own massage, all right? So we may have been to see sports massage therapists in the past, but that's not always necessary. Sometimes it can be expensive, big fun if you're going plenty of times like a professional athlete may do. So it is beneficial to kind of get your own stuff in your own time in between. You may see bits of equipment like the knobbly balls, you can get like a more stiffer roller like shown, maybe shorter in length, and then we see a longer, softer foam rollers as well. So there's loads of different varieties aimed at getting different spots and targeting different muscle groups. So the idea of SMR is to kind of help release tension ultimately. Tension in the muscle or cross joints, and particularly in what's known as fascia. So fascia is basically connective tissue that surrounds all the muscles of the body. So if a particular area, say the bottom of the foot, is particularly tight, if we were to roll that out and do some massage on that, that can help release tension all the way up the chain, up until the shoulder, to give you more mobility in the shoulder. I know, fascinating, right? And that can even be done with just a golf ball. Like I say, it's a more affordable, cheaper version of the sports massage, so it is worth doing pre-exercise, certainly after exercise as well, but it's always important to do some mobilization exercises as part of the SMR, so that once you've finished, you're working and resetting your proprioceptive signals, so signals across muscles and joints, if you like, that communicate to help give joint stability and mobility as well, okay? We want to be thinking about working the muscles in various planes as well, okay? So not just stripping in one direction, but maybe more circular motions. We can work on trigger pointing. We could go laterally across muscle fibers, which tends to be quite tender as well. SMR as well has also been found and linked with in a study by the Journal of Sports Conditioning in 2014 that can help atrial function, so it can help improve heart function just by using SMR, much like yoga does as well. So what we're going to do, guys, is go through some exercises to help you out that you can use, and possibly what you could use with your clients as well. Let's go. So starting in a plank-like position, using my leg to support my body weight just on my knees there and my elbows as well, obviously. I want to make sure my back stays nice and firm as I strip up the quadriceps there, and I roll down back to the top of the knee, but just turn my leg to a slight angle just so I'm hitting the muscle belly at, again, a slightly different angle, so I'm working all of that muscle group. You can see I just rotate my leg as well to get more of the inside of the thigh. And here I'm just finding particular points where I can trigger point and put a little bit more pressure on, so those small forwards and backwards movements. Next then, I'm just almost strumming a guitar, moving my leg from left to right, which almost strums the muscle fibers, but man, you really feel that when you do it. Lastly then, I'm just finding a particular tender point again, so I've effectively shortened the muscle as I contract the quadriceps just to stretch it out a little bit more across those quadriceps, and you can gradually do that as you go further up the leg too. So next then, I want to mobilize the joint I've just been working on, so you can see I'm getting into a deep squat position there, just mobilizing my ankles, mobilizing the knees a little bit, just by starting in an original squat position, i.e. feet pointing forwards, rotating the feet inwards, and then rotating the feet outwards. So this is to help rebalance my proprioceptive signals.